Bonjour everyone, 안녕하세요, and welcome back to another episode of Le Café Celine. So today is a very special episode because we are going to make 5 easy recipes perfect for Valentine's Day. So let's start. For first drink, we are going to go for a love me not drink. Put some dried blue pea flour over boiled water. Let it cool down and then put in an ice mold tray like this. Close the lid and then put it in the fridge. I also use hibiscus tea and grenadine syrup for the other colors. First, let's start with the ice. And then we are going to go with a peach soda. You can use any soda, some Sprite or some peach or flavored soda, but this one I like to use peach. It is so aesthetically cute. Oh, it is so cute and so refreshing as well. It is so good. And now for my second drink, I'm going to go for a drink called Crazy Love. This drink is so easy to make. It only has 3 ingredients: blue pea flower tea, some strawberry syrup, and club soda. Some homemade strawberry syrup, ice, so this is another love story that's waiting to happen. The strawberry is so sweet. It's so delicious. So for the third drink, we are going to make this drink called Seasonal Love. So the 4 Seasons drink is composed of orange, mango, watermelon, and pineapple. So you mix them all together and it becomes 4 Seasons. This seasonal drink is perfect for the season of love. Perfect gradient of love. It is so good. So for the 4th drink, we are going to make Blueberry Figo. Something different, but still so amazingly beautiful. I've had one too many drinks already, and I cannot wait to eat these. Oh. I'll eat it later. For the 5th and final drink, we are going to make the classic, strawberries and cream. How pretty is this one?
I've been craving for you since the beginning of this episode. You are worth the wait.
So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this mini home cafe series that I did for you guys today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell as well to stay updated with the latest videos that I'm going to post. So until then, I will see you guys in the next video. 감사합니다. 안녕.